Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video we're going to talk about how you can link your email address to your WordPress post or website or page or whatever. So how do we do that? On the left hand side we're going to go to posts or basically pages, but we're going to go to post this time, and we're just going to go to the hello world post, which is the default. You're going to have probably more. And here what you're gonna do is you usually just select the words you want. Basically, for example, you select this, you click on the link, so this button right here, and for example you just type a site and click enter, and that's gonna link those words to that site. But how do we do that with the email? So what you're gonna do is we're gonna click enter, and we're going to basically type our email, so like this. Then we're gonna select it, and we're gonna click on the link button right here. You're gonna left click on that, and basically it's gonna automatically go to mail to gmail.com. So if we go here, which is probably not gonna work in your the first time you do that, in the link tab you're gonna type mail to, and then this, and then the name of the mail basically, and that's it. You're gonna click on enter. So now when we update the site and we view the post, it should work. So now when we click on left click on our mail, it's gonna automatically basically go to the mail. So if we click on OK, we can automatically mail to this email right here. So as you can see, it works. So basically you can do whatever email you want, and you're just gonna select it, click on the link, and automatically after the first time it's gonna be automatic. So whenever you click on the link, it's gonna be the mail to and the email. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope that guys helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.